All right, good morning. Good morning, Skywatchers. Can you see all this mess here? The big line going across the sky. It's a beautiful sunrise, but it's a geoengineered day. I think most days are geoengineered, weather warfare. I mean, it's just, you can see all the EMF lines up in there. Poker Flats Rocket Research Range is just right over there. The military base is over there, and HARP is just beyond that. Sorry if you can't hear me, the mic's all the way over here, and I'm just talking like crazy. But I'm out here filming the wildlife this morning. Come, birds. Come, pretty bird. Come on. Come on. Hey, pretty bird. Me and the birds are having breakfast. Got my coffee right here. Good morning, guys. Hi, pretties. Morning. Even when it's ugly outside, it's always a beautiful morning up here. So if you guys are taking photos of your sky and posting them on Facebook and wherever else you got your accounts. Just thought I'd show you this sky this morning. I'm going to go inside and I'm going to finish coffee and I'll be back later. All right, guys, keep looking up.